Hi guys, it's Eamon here from Helvetic, just at a house here in City West. A recent job we've done installing the infrared panels. So this is the hallway, a nice panel located in the ceiling. This is the sitting room. So this client had radiators, gas central heating, and had seen the panels, actually the floor is nice and warm, had seen the panels at one of our trade shows and was impressed. So let's move to the the dining room. So see the panel in the ceiling, and then into the sitting room. So they're doing some renovations here, but you can see the panel on the ceiling here behind. Yeah, so we installed a panel in every room. So the client had gas central heating, and we removed everything and put in the infrared panels. So I just spoke to the client and they're more than happy with the success of the panels. So another happy client using infrared heaters. And just finally, running costs, approximately up to 40 to 50% less to run the panels than conventional gas or oil central heating. No maintenance, easy install, and frees up wall space. So, okay, thanks guys. For more information, check out helvetic.ie.